Welcome to this guided imagery experience. Today, our meditation will specifically address the problem of news overconsumption. I'm Jane Z, a clinical mental health specialist, and I'll be your guide today. First, I'd like you to find a comfortable position, either sitting or laying down, whatever's more comfortable for you. Now, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze downwards. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs to the maximum, and hold. And slowly exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension you might be holding on to. Good. Let's repeat. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand, and slowly release and exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension you might be feeling. Good. One more time. That felt good. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs fill, and slowly exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension you're still holding. Good. As you settle in, take a moment to acknowledge the pervasive impact that constant news and social media consumption can have on our well-being. In a hyper-connected world, the relentless cycles of alerts, headlines, and breaking stories can trap us in a state of hypervigilance, making it difficult to find peace. This constant influx, often focused on negativity, can significantly elevate stress levels, contribute to anxiety, disrupt sleep patterns, and even manifest as physical symptoms like headaches or chronic fatigue or depression. It can distort our perception of the world, making it seem more dangerous or overwhelming than it truly is. Today, we're creating a sacred space to gently disconnect from that external noise and allow your mind and body to find a much-needed sense of calm and clarity. Now, imagine yourself in a peaceful, sheltered place, completely removed from the clamor and demands of the world outside. Perhaps it's a cozy cabin nestled in the woods, a quiet porch overlooking a tranquil garden, or even just a comfortable spot by a window in a serene sanctuary. Outside, you begin to hear the soft, gentle pitter-patter of rain. It's not a tumultuous storm, but a steady, soothing shower, a natural lullaby. Visualize the raindrops gently falling, See them glistening on the leaves of trees, creating tiny ripples on clear puddles, and softly washing over the earth. Notice the colors around you. The greens of nature seem richer. The sky a soft, diffused gray, creating a peaceful, muted palette. Listen closely to the sounds of the rain. It's a rhythmic, calming sound. Let each drop be a tiny whisper of peace, carrying away the residue of every alarming headline, every unsettling report, every piece of information that has weighed on your mind. Now, imagine the rain cleansing your thoughts, rinsing away the anxieties fueled by the news and social media, leaving behind a profound sense of clarity and calm. As the water washes the world outside, feel it metaphorically washing away the mental clutter caused by overconsumption of information. Feel the cool, fresh air that the rain brings. It's invigorating and clean, a stark contrast to the often heavy atmosphere created by constant news and social media doom scrolling. Allow this refreshing energy to fill you from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. With each gentle sound of the rain, feel your body relaxing deeper and deeper. Your shoulders soften, your jaw loosens, and any tightness in your stomach begins to ease as you release the grip of external worries. Now, as the gentle rain continues to fall, bring your mind back to these profound words from the Bible. From John 16:23-24. Let them resonate deeply with the peace you are cultivating, a peace that transcends the fleeting anxieties of the day. In that day, you will ask nothing of me. Truly, truly, I say to you, whatever you ask of the Father in my name, he will give it to you. Until now, you have asked nothing in my name. Ask, and you shall receive, that your joy may be full. John 16:23-24. Amen. Consider these words. In this moment of profound peace, imagine the vastness of grace and the promise of fullness. You are invited to ask, to seek, to receive, not the burden of endless, often negative information online, but the boundless gifts of peace, joy, and tranquility. Let these words be a comforting presence, reminding you of a source of unwavering love and profound peace that is always available to you, independent of the daily headlines and posts online. Just as the rain gently nourishes the earth and purifies the air, these words can nourish your spirit, helping you to release the grip of external stressors and find solace within. Feel any burdens lighten as you rest in this profound understanding. Continue to breathe deeply and gently. The rain is beginning to slow now, becoming even softer, a distant, gentle murmur. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body, feeling the comfortable surface beneath you. Notice the sensations in your hands and your toes. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing the profound feeling of peace and calm with you into your day. Or if you're ready to sleep or have fallen asleep already, that's okay too. Take one more deep, cleansing breath and exhale any lingering tension, especially any remnants of news or social media-induced stress. You are refreshed, renewed, and ready to move forward with a sense of peace, knowing that you have the power to choose what you allow into your mind and heart. Be well.